My name is Camilla, and these are our Radiant Activity Stacking Cones that our TTS developed. They come in a 20 pack, which are brilliant for helping children to explore any schematic behaviours they might have, from babies all the way upwards. When they're rolling, they're stacking, they have little holes within each one that really support children in any fine motor activity that you might like to do with them, really supporting with that physical development. When you use these alongside light sources, the different colours radiate out, and it really creates a beautiful environment for children to explore. These are truly open-ended and versatile. They cover so many different areas of learning that one resource in your setting can support children of all ages, of all skills. Knowing that you can pack it away really easily, knowing that all your children are going to be supported in their learning and to access independently is a great resource to have. We think really carefully when we develop our resources for young children. We think about the materials used, we think about the colours used, we think about the finger holes that we're creating, making sure that every aspect is safe for our young children. This is a simple yet really effective piece for any learning environment. It supports all different types of skills for children from babies all the way upwards. It's a really versatile piece that can support in STEAM-led learning, in 21st century skills, in schematic behaviours. It's your foundation piece of kit.